Hi guys, welcome to another video. So what day are we on? We are on door number 5. 5 days away from Christmas. So who's ready to see what we've got behind this one? Ooh, that's an unusual colour. I don't think it's black. I think it's a kind of greeny grey. So this one is called Naughty List. That's usually the list that I'm on. Let's get it swatched because I'm dying to see what colour that is. Yeah, that is a really unusual colour. It's like a cross between a khaki green and a dark grey. Really unusual colour. I don't think I've got anything like that in my collection. So there we are, guys. That is what is behind door number 5. Naughty List. And that's what it looks like with a top coat over the top as well. You can kind of get a better feel for what the colour is. Yeah, it's a really unusual colour. I like it. So there we are, guys. That is everything for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.